Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
欢迎回到 Chinese Zero to Hero。上节课我们学了很多的单词，我们学了面包、搬家、作业，你都记住了吗？太好了，现在我们来看一看一个新的 grammar point. Now that I mentioned 作业 homework, is there a difference between these two sentences? I did my homework. I'm done with my homework. As you can see, the first sentence, the result isn't very clear. I did my homework. But the second sentence, it's very clear what the result was. I finished it. I'm done with it. Another example would be, I reviewed this lesson versus I'm done reviewing this lesson. The first one, it's unclear how much reviewing I actually did. Maybe I did only a bit. Maybe I did a lot, but it's not very clear. But the second sentence, I'm done. I'm ready for the test, right? I'm done reviewing this lesson. It's finished. So how do you express this nuance in Chinese? Okay, so let's take a look at these sentences in Chinese. I reviewed this lesson. 我复习这一课了. Right? It's a simple 了 construction. But what about the second one? Right? Now the second example is, I did my homework versus I'm done with my homework. 我做作业了. But what would be the second one? Is it important to be able to say, I'm done with my homework? I'm done reviewing my lessons? I'm done doing something? Yes, it's very important. And that's what we're going to look at this lesson. The way you express completeness in Chinese is with the construction verb 好. Verb 好. As an example, 做好. 做好. 我做好了. I did it. 我做好了. I'm finished with it. I'm done with it. 我做好了. 复习好. Done reviewing. 我早就复习好了. 我早就复习好了. I'm done reviewing a long time ago, don't you see? 我早就复习好了. 准备好. 水果、面包、茶都准备好了. All these three items are ready. 水果、面包、茶都准备好了. Now let's take a look at the verb that's composed of a verb and an object. 吃饭. 吃饭. 吃是 verb. 饭是 object. 吃饭. How do you use 好 with 吃饭? What you do is you take these two apart and you put 好 in the center. 吃好饭. So verb 好 object. 吃好饭. Okay? Another example. 睡觉. 睡觉. 睡好觉. 复习. Is this a verb object construction? No, it's not. So it's not 复好习, but 复习好. 复习 itself, the whole thing is a verb. 复习好. 搬家 is another verb plus object construction. So where do you put the 好? Yes, in the middle. 搬好家. 搬好家. 我搬好家了. 我们再一起看一看我们刚才的故事 story。早上你去哪儿了？
去帮朋友搬家了。
搬好了吗？
搬好了。
金瑞克搬好家了吗？金瑞克搬好家了。很好，我们再来看看 story。吃午饭了吗？
吃了。
吃好了吗？
还没吃好。
金瑞克吃了吗？吃了。金瑞克吃好了吗？金瑞克还没吃好。So let's take a look at these sentences again. I did my homework. I'm done with my homework. 我做作业了。Now, do you know how to say the second one? 很好，我做好作业了。I reviewed this lesson. 我复习这一课了。I'm done reviewing this lesson. Would be 我复习好这一课了。很好。想好，想 means to think, right? 想好 means to decide or make up one's mind. It's like done thinking. So when you're done thinking about something, you have decided, right? So 想好 it's like I've decided. 我还没想好 I haven't decided yet. 我还没想好去不去呢 I haven't decided whether I want to go or not. 现在我们让你说一说。我不能跟你去玩，明天的汉语课我还没什么？我不能跟你去玩，明天的汉语课我还没准备好。很好。我们打算去旅行，我已经什么火车票了？火车票是什么？知道吗？火车票就是 train tickets train tickets。我们打算去旅行，我已经什么火车票了？买好火车票了。很好。快什么衣服？我们准备出门了。快什么衣服？我们准备出门了。Now you're ready to go out. So what do you have to do with your clothes? You have to put it on, right? So how do you say, okay, hurry up and make sure that you have put on your clothes good. 快穿好衣服，我们准备出门了。赶快把衣服穿好，我们要出门了。去还是不去？我还没 decided. How do you say decided? 去还是不去？我还没想好。很好。
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 3 video course, which includes 187 videos that will teach you grammar and vocabulary, help you complete pair activities, and test your writing with dictation exercises. This course also comes with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 3 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.